Hello viewers! This is here again for another chismis. And for today's gala, nga ipakita ko sa inyo yung napaka-amazing na place. Well, there's nothing special ha. It's just a place that I find it so pretty and so beautiful and very aesthetic. And here it is. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, diba? So this is so pretty. So this is just an ordinary place where people go for a walk with their dogs. Some do joggings and riding bicycle here. And for me, I find it so pretty and very relaxing. So why am I here? I always come here every Thursday. Because in this place, napakasarap mag-isip-isip ng mga problems, magbuni-muni, and magplano for the future kahit na alone ka lang. And of course, I do my exercise here too. Because anyway, every Thursday, I have 3 hours break from my work. And so that's why I get a chance to come here. Dahil kailangan kong samahan yung alaga ko. Meron siyang swimming class and the swimming class will starts at 10:45. Dahil nga hindi na ako umuwi sa bahay, so dito na lang ako nalalagi or dito ako nagsistay habang hinihintay rong oras. Maghatid kasi ako sa kanila ng 8:30 and then hindi na ako umuwi. O diba, napakaganda talaga ng place and I'm still taking videos because napakahaba nito. And if you may wondering ano yung nasa itaas, dyan po dumadaan yung MTR dito sa Hong Kong, yung train. It may not seem aesthetic to you, but for me, it's very aesthetic. Wala kasing ganitong view sa aming bukid ay, diba? Sa amin kasi sa probinsya, you can only see all the greens, mountains, and plants, and whatsoever. So, walang mga ganitong infrastructure. Wait, ulitin ko nga. Bulol na walang ganitong mga infrastructure. Okay, just myself appreciating the view. It's simple to you, but for me, it means a lot. O diba, iba-iba tayo ng pananaw sa buhay or pananaw ng mga bagay-bagay na nakikita natin. As you can see, this one is wala talagang tao, no? Wala talaga masyadong tao, so ako lang. So ayan, tinuturo ko nga dyan, nadaanan nga dyan ng train. And besides is the river, and tumataas din yung, meron ding mga level ng water if tumataas yung water nakalagay sa mga poste. So besides is the residence and then other side is the school of where my alaga went to school. So I also took videos in this area a few months ago. And even if I went here every Thursday, no, every time talaga napupunta ako dito, I still amazed with the place. This is how pretty Hong Kong is. Wherever you go, you can see it's so beautiful place that we can take pictures. And you know what? The river is also clean and there's so many fishes jumping. And lagi ko talagang maiisip to na pag sa Pilipinas to, wala na talaga tong isda dahil maraming mga tao na nangingisda. But here, they were very abundant with the fishes and all the food. And meron din silang pera na pangbili so they don't have to catch the fish in the river. So ayan na nga, after a few minutes of walking, we finally here under the bridge. Fall of the world. So I am here besides Campton River. Ayan, so that bridge you see there, it's the MTR railways here in Hong Kong. Ayan, so I'm just walking here to do some little bit exercise while waiting for the time sa aking alaga dahil they have animal show today. So the time is 10:45. So hindi na ako umuwi ng bahay. Diretso na to. Kasi pag mauwi ako ng bahay, 30 minutes lang naman yung stay ko and then alis agad. So that's why I'm here. So this is besides their school. Their school is there. And this is the other side of the school. So nagwo-walk lang ako kanina pa. Medyo malayo kasi to, the road is very long kasi beside siya ng river. And this is where people do their jogging or exercise. This is where they do their exercise. Ayan, so I've been here before na. Nakita niyo naman sa mga previous video ko na nakapunta na ako dito. But since the place it's so beautiful and it's so nice, so magbe-video ulit ako. O, diba? Ay, so pretty in this place. So, hindi masyadong mainit ngayon dito sa Hong Kong as it's a little bit only. And tingnan niyo naman yung river. Maraming mga fish dyan. Hindi siya kagaya ng rivers atin sa Pilipinas na yung mga Pasig River na there's so many trash everywhere, but here it's clean. Only plants.
So, sasagutin ko muna yung asawa ko dahil tumawag na siya. Naghahanap na siya kung nasaan na yung maganda niyang asawa. Goodbye, everyone. Everyone, hello people of the world. Diyos ko. Mag-video-video tayo dito. So, I use my umbrella kasi ang daming nangangagat dahil and my neck is very red na talaga. Look at that. Oh my God. I don't know what happened.
And so this is what happened when I don't go out. I just stay in the school and have my breakfast apple. And a quick trivia here, alam niyo ba ng school nila is napaka-expensive, 3 times of my salary here in Hong Kong, and that's around 120 Hong Kong dollar yung kanilang tuition. And so mapanganga ka na lang talaga kung how expensive their school is. So ayan po, merong mga chair naman na pwede kang maghintay dito. But of course, napakaganda din na maglakad-lakad sa labas pag may time dahil nga makikita naman natin yung mga gagandang view. So ito yung school nila and I feel like here para akong nasa airport ng Singapore. O diba with the light and the trees. So ayan lang na isipan ko lang na para pala akong nasa Singapore kaya video ko. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching.